Hello friends from YouTube. In this tutorial I will show you how to design a simple ring with 4 bars. We create a new body, and then a new sketch in XY. We add a new rectangle and we round its bottom corners. Now, the horizontal constraint is removed so it won't be redundant with the symmetry constraint. Then we add some measures of the ring and the top line is deleted. Now we add two circumference arcs at the side and we align them horizontally a center and the end of the vertical line. In the video I did it wrong, so I had to fix it. Some auxiliary lines are added to line the circumferences and leave the same distance between them. A point is added on top of a circumference and it is vertically aligned with the center. This point will give the total height of the ring. When it is fully constrained, we draw the other side with two circumferences like the ones on the right side. The sketch is fully constrained again with a horizontal line and two symmetry constraints at the center of the circumferences. Finally, the sketch is closed, and a revolution solid is obtained from the horizontal axis of the sketch. The ring is ready. Now I will show some advanced functions that allows to obtain information about the volume, the tessellation and the curvature of the solid. I hope that you have liked the tutorial. You can subscribe and click on like if you liked it, and thanks for watching.